Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to discuss about terrestrial plants. Yeah children, what is terrestrial plants? The plants that grow on land are called as terrestrial plants. Yeah children, these are the plants which have certain features children. What are the features? Means they mainly grow in the areas like mountains, forest, plains and deserts. So let us find out how plants will adapt to the natural conditions in these areas children. Yeah, generally we know that plants that grow in deserts. Have you ever visited Rajasthan children? Rajasthan means that is one of the desert area. How the climate of Rajasthan will be? The temperature during the daytime is very high, means the climate will be very hot and the area will be very dried up children. The place hardly receives any set of rainfall. Plants like cactus, kikar and plum and acacia grow here. Yeah children, mainly the plants like cactus, kikar and plum and acacia grow here. What is the spelling of cactus? Cactus, cactus. Kikar, Keekar, kikar. Plum, Palm, plum and acacia, Acacia. These are the plants which grow in the desert areas. And also the climatic condition will be very hot and also dried up, the sandy area will be there, and this temperature during the daytime is very high. Desert plants have thick stems to store food and water, which helps the plant to survive in harsh climate. See here, you are going to have the thick stem here, and these are only going to survive in harsh climate. You can also notice that most of the desert plants have no leaves. These cactus plants and plum and also kikar are not going to have any set of leaves. But for example, the leaves of cactus are reduced to spines, which prevents the loss of water. It mainly has prevents the loss of water children. The roots grow in depth into the soil and absorb the available water. These are the roots which grow in depth and so that it can absorb the available water there. Yeah children, let me move on to plants that grows in coastal region. The climate in the coastal region like Vizag and Goa. Yeah, we are living in a area called Vizag now. This is considered as a coastal region. It is very hot and humid condition. Our climatic condition is very hot and humid. The place has sandy soil and bright sunlight and strong winds here, and also heavy rainfall. Means our climatic condition will be differ, means we are going to have strong winds, bright sunlight and also heavy rainfall. Means it has all the conditions of climate. Example, we can see here more near to the beach, coastal areas, we can see more palm trees. Clear children? Yeah, why coconut trees are mainly grown in the coastal region children? The stem of plants that grow in coastal regions are strong and flexible. The stems of the coconut trees are very strong and flexible, and also the leaves are made up of thick long strips to bear the strong winds. Means even in coastal region the leaves will be very strong na? If any more set of winds we are going to get, it can bear the force of the wind. And also fruits of trees like coconut remain afloat in seawater for many days and give rise to new plants on reaching the shore. This coconut is also going to afloat in seawater, means it can float in sea, and also it can give rise to the new plant when it reaches the seashore. Clear children? Let me move on to the topic of plants that grows in hilly areas. The climate in hilly areas is generally very cold. Means here you can see very snowy set of a fall snowfall, like you can see in Ooty and Kashmir. These plants like pine, these are the plants called pine trees, and also some other plants like fir, fir, spruce, spruce, and deodar, deodor. These are the trees which mainly grow in the hilly regions. The climatic conditions will be very cold and very set of a heavy snowfall comes here. This you can see mainly in Kashmir and Ooty. How can you ever notice the shape of the trees in hilly region will be? It will be conical in shape, and the snowfalls will be automatically on the trees itself and slides off easily. These trees are very tall. Okay, these trees are very tall and experience of maximum sunlight gets to the trees, and trees have needle like leaves. Here you can see needle like leaves, children, which bear the cold and prevent loss of water. It can bear the cold and it prevents the loss of water. Instead of trees, the trees of bear cones, hence they are called as coniferous or coniferous trees. These are the trees will have the cones. Those are considered as coniferous trees. What is the spelling of coniferous? Coniferous, coniferous trees. Yeah, children, in also hilly regions, tea plants can only grow on the slopes of the hills where there is heavy rain and water does not collect near the roots. That's what in mainly hilly regions, the trees will be in conical in shape, and also these have heavy rainfall, so that the tea plants will be mostly grown in hilly regions. Today we have learned about terrestrial plants that grow in deserts and also coastal regions and also hilly regions. I hope that everyone understood the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.